What's up everybody, Jonathan here. It's math time, and in this video I'm going to show you how to compute the different distance between two points, two latitude and longitude points, with just math, without using any API or anything like that. So I think you're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be some trigonometry, and let's get right into it. Import math and hit the subscribe button. So make sure to hit the subscribe button. That's step number 2 to this lovely tutorial. We're going to put in a latitude. We're going to put in a longitude. We'll do lon1 just for number of character symmetry, and then lon1 is going to be -74. Lat2 is going to be 35.68, and lon2 equals 139.76. So these are our two coordinates that we're working with. We're going to start off by defining a function which is called distance between, and then we'll do lat1, lat2, or I'm sorry, lat1, lon1, lat2, lon2, and that's going to accept degrees to radians, and math.pi, I'm using the math library here, and divided by 180, and phi1 equals 90.0 minus lat1 times degrees to radians, and then phi2 is going to equal 90 minus lat2 times, you guessed it, degrees to radians. And then we'll do theta 1 equals lon1 times lon1 times degrees to radians. Theta 2 is going to equal to lon2 times degrees to radians. Okay. And then we're going to take the cosine, which equals math.sine of phi1 times math.sine of phi2 times math.cosine theta 1 minus theta 2 plus math.cosine of phi1 times math.cosine of phi2. That looks right? And then we're going to take the arc, which is going to equal math.acos over that, and we're going to return the arc. Easy peasy, huh? That's pretty simple, right? You guys see what's going on there? These are basic, trigonometry properties. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is print distance between lat1, lon1, lat2, lon2. See what we get. And this is the figure in radians, so 1.706 radians. So if you want it in miles, then you just have to convert 1.7 radians to miles, and that would be something like I don't think I want to go all the way into that. It'd be what? Return, I'd have to add something. Return arc times 3960, which is the radius of the Earth. So it would be 6,042 miles. And that's all you do. It's quite simple. And you can test this for yourself. Type into Google, what's the difference between latitude 4071 negative and longitude -74, yada yada, and it'll give you 6,700 miles approximately. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you got anything out of this, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye bye.